Are you suffering from brittle hair resulting in hair loss? Do you want to have thicker hair to enhance your looks? In this video, you will learn about tested home remedies that can help make your hair thicker and more nourished. These recipes can improve your hair's appearance and texture, so keep watching. If our hair is well taken care of, it can enhance our looks and give us confidence. Unfortunately, some people experience hair problems, such as thinning and breakage. Most of the time, hair thinning comes with age, especially in men. It could also be the result of an illness, genetics, or overusing of commercial products. Hair loss is preventable and treatable in most cases. These natural treatments may enhance your hair and scalp's health. Doing these steps can result in much stronger follicles and thicker hair strands. Number 1. Eggs. The hair's basic foundation is a protein called keratin. It is the same structural protein that is present in our nails. Eggs are a good source of protein, which aids our body's building and repair. Giving your hair a regular egg treatment can make it thicker and much stronger. Here's the process. Beat 1 to 2 eggs and apply the mixture on damp scalp and hair. Leave the eggs on your hair, allowing it to work for 30 minutes. After the treatment, you can wash your hair with cool to warm water and mild shampoo. Wash it well to prevent any egg residue, and then allow it to dry as you usually do. Number 2. Olive oil. This oil is rich in omega-3 acids, which can help thicken hair. Olive oil is perfect for people who suffer from dry hair or itchy scalp. Pour some oil on your palm to warm it up, making the application easier. Apply and massage into your hair and scalp using your fingertips. Leave the oil on your hair for 30 to 40 minutes and rinse it with a mild shampoo. You can also try to sleep with it on, using a shower cap for better results. This oil does not only thicken hair, but also helps make your hair softer. Number 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera gel is one of the best things that you can apply to your hair. It acts as a thickening agent. You can try to apply it on your hair alone or mix it with egg and glycerin. Let the mixture sit on your hair for 15 minutes before shampooing. Glycerin is a humectant. This means it attracts water for added moisture, which leaves hair softer, thicker, and looking more luxurious. Number 4. Avocado. Avocado does not only moisturize the skin, but it can also do wonders for your hair. This fruit is rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that fights UV damage. You can mash some avocado and apply it to your hair. Use it alone or make a mixture with banana and olive oil for the best results. Leave it on your hair for about half an hour and then rinse it out with a mild shampoo. You can use this method at least twice a week. Number 5. Castor oil. Using castor oil can make hair thicker since it contains 85 to 95% of ricinoleic acid, a kind of fatty acid. This fatty acid gradually makes hair darker by reducing the occurrence of premature graying. Castor oil also locks in moisture, resulting in much thicker and bouncier hair. It has high amounts of vitamin E, which promotes hair growth. This oil can be too thick for some people, so it is advisable to mix it with other oils before applying. You can opt for coconut oil or olive oil if you find castor oil too thick to work with. Comb your hair after applying the oil for even distribution. Wait for at least an hour, and then wash your hair as usual. Sometimes you can find the best remedies for hair problems inside the pantry. Also, it prevents you from getting exposed to chemicals accompanied by commercial products. If you like this video, click that thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more health tips and remedies. Thank you for watching.